Hello, good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Hello, it's me, teacher Barbie from MS English. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, can you hear and see me?
Yeah,
Okay, thank you so much. So tonight we will have our placement test.
yes,
Okay, so placement test will only take for a few minutes. And please, if you don't know the answer, just tell me, teacher, I don't know. Okay?
yes,
Yeah, if you say come here, I don't know teacher, okay? Okay,
yes.
so yes, I will just speak slowly, okay? Now we will start with our speaking test for tonight. So, what's your name?
My name is Hieu.
How do you spell your name?
This is Chi Hieu.
Mm-hmm. How do you spell? For example, I spell my name as Barbie. How about
I
you?
is Sieu.
Okay, thank you. How old are you?
28 years old.
Okay, can you say 28 years old? 28
Yes,
years
28
old.
years.
Okay, very good.
28 years old. Yes.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Hattin province.
And what's your job? Occupation. What's your
uh,
job? Do you work?
uh, I now I'm not having I
Okay.
haven't jobs.
Okay, no problem. Okay. So thank you so much. Those are the basic introduction and questions about yourself. This time, let's have number one. Okay, the topic is hometown.
Yeah,
Where are you from again? I'm from, I'm from
I'm from Hattin province.
Vietnam. Okay. So
Yes.
what can people do in your hometown? What can people do in your hometown? For example, people can do fishing, play pickleball. What can people do in your hometown? Okay, I don't know, teacher.
Sorry, I yes, I don't know.
Okay. What do you like most about your hometown? What do you like in your hometown? For example, I like playing tennis or football in my hometown. How about you? What do you like doing? Or
Uh,
what
I
do you
like
like?
I like
I like
uh I like I like
playing,
working. I like working.
walking.
Yes, working.
Okay, you say, I like walking in my hometown. Can you say,
Yes, I
I?
like working in my hometown.
Okay. So, what is it famous
I like
for?
working in my hometown.
Very good. Okay. What is it famous for? Is it famous
Uh,
for local
my
food?
famous sports. It, yeah,
Y-
it's local foods.
Okay. You can say it's famous for local food. Can you say? It is.
Is 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 famous is famous local food.
Okay, very good. And is it easy to travel in your hometown? Easy or not easy to travel in your
Ah,
hometown?
it easy, easy, it
Okay,
easy to
s-
travel my hometown.
very good. Is there anything you dislike about your hometown? Anything you dislike about
I
your hometown?
think I think it is water,
Because,
water, because it's it's very hot in summer and very cold in very cold in no I don't know I don't know very cold in
okay. So, would you like to travel elsewhere?
uh I
Would you
like to
like to
travel.
travel?
Yeah, I like to travel.
Where?
I like to travel to I think Japan.
Japan.
Yes.
Oh, good, good, good. Okay, very good.
Um went to Spain.
Okay. This time we are going to have second topic about free time. What do you like doing in your free time? For example, I like
I like
reading books.
watching movie.
Oh,
I
good,
like
good.
watching movie
Okay. What activities do you often
and
spend your free time on? Any activities?
this, this answer uh, any activities. Ah, reading book,
Mm,
watching TV, uh, listen to music,
okay. How do you often relax?
play video game.
Okay. Thank you. So, how often do you relax during the weekends?
I'm I'm working on this.
Working. Okay, okay. Next, is there any hobby or activity you wish you had more time for?
Sorry,
Is Is there any hobby or activity you wish you had more time for? For example, I wish I had more time to um, listen to music or more time to read books, something like that.
I wish maybe
Yes? Hello?
play game,
Okay, play more
play game.
games. Okay. Thank you. All right. So this time let's have third topic. So
Yes.
it's about staying up late. So do you go to sleep early or stay up late?
I'm going to sleep early, about,
Mm-hmm. What
hello,
time? Yes.
uh, 22, 22 o'clock.
Ah, okay. So 10 o'clock. Okay. So this time, let's proceed. What were you doing when you stayed up late last time? Can you hear me?
Can hear.
Okay. What were you
Sorry.
doing? Can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. What were you doing when you stayed up late last time?
I'm, I'm studying English.
Okay, study English. Wow, that's correct. You study English last night. Okay. For the fourth topic, it's about internet.
Yes.
Okay. And for the internet, the first question is, when did you
Yes.
start using the internet? When did you start using the internet?
Uh, I don't remember, but
Mhm.
about uh 10 years old.
I see. And how often do you go online?
Yeah, I'm often
How often do you go online? Is it like every day or 1 hour per day, 2 hours per day, something like that? How often
every day. Every day.
every day? So,
Yeah.
how does the internet influence people? How does the internet influence people?
Sorry, it's question. I don't know.
Okay. Do you think you spend too much time online?
I think it's not good.
Yes. Do you think you spend too much time online? Yes or no?
No,
Okay. So, what would you do without the internet? What would you do without the internet? No internet. What will you do?
um, I don't know.
For example, if there's no internet, you will read more books. If no internet, you will listen to music or do exercise. What would you do without the internet?
I'm I'm talking. I'm talking my friend.
Oh, talk to your
I'm
friends. I
talking with
see.
my friend.
Okay, very good.
Yes.
Very good. Okay, so very good, Hio. Thank you so much. Actually, that's the end of
Yes.
our placement test for tonight. Okay? So thank you
Yes.
so
Thank you,
much,
teacher.
Hio, for your time. I hope that you are going to enroll to my class. Okay? So I cannot wait
Yes.
to see you. Okay? So have a
Yes.
wonderful evening here and enjoy your evening. Happy Sunday. Goodbye here.
Bye, teacher.